So I'm currently in Chinatown and I want to show you guys how nightlife is like. So we can start by going maybe through here straight. So I'll just be walking on here first, straight ahead first, to show you guys some of the bars around here. Maybe I could just go here just to be safer. So yeah, there's some music going on which I have to like mute. So don't mind me if there's some part of it I have to cut. Yeah, I'm not sure if guys can hear me, but yeah, if this happen to have any type of like, okay, maybe the music doesn't detect here the music copyright, so I have to, sometimes have to cut, because normally like club and bar here they play music, and it's kind of hassle if you want to upload your video to YouTube. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick look around this area. Normally when it comes to like Chinatown here, just by the name alone, you can tell like a lot of the restaurant here they serve Chinese or China authentic food here. So if that's your kind of food, I think this is a nice street. But nonetheless, you might have to, how should I put it, go to other type of street, because this one is mostly they serve like China food, Chinese authentic food, I can say. So yeah, I didn't get to do a proper structured vlog because during the past few days been busy accompanying my friend to deal with his matter, and I got quite tired right now. So yeah, there is so many choice here. Even though some of the food might look the same, but there's quite a lot of choice. You just have to pick the right one, the right restaurant. So they have to check the price. So, oh, okay, this might be cheaper, so I might go with that, because Singapore here is very expensive, the food here. So let me see, I'm trying to focus what I want to say, but at the same time I'm trying to look where I'm like vlogging, So yeah. Oh, like there's a lot of European and Westerner eating there, a bunch of group. So yeah, at this street you can most likely stumble into a lot of Westerner European. The one previously where I stayed at, I think it's called Tiong Bahru. Yeah, there's definitely nothing going on during this time. Right now it's exactly 9. So yeah, there's still quite a lot that is open. Just going around here just to show you. This is how it looks like. City life in Singapore. And yeah, it's look very pretty with all those trees and plants. Yeah, so we're just going to go maybe around here just to see what do they have. So I think yesterday I ordered the drink here. It's not bad, and because the reason is that they have like 70% promotion, but only during certain times. And it tastes quite good. Mostly it's like fruit kind of drinks. And over here you can have your Chinese food one, because mostly it's like food from China, the ingredient that they have, all that. But majority the pricing is around like you most likely will expect of $10 above. So it doesn't come cheap. It's like $10 above. So there's more around here. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go right now. Maybe I could go through this one. I'm just like blindly going because I wanted to explore like at least the street here in Chinatown, just to give you guys a look of how it looked like. See. So yeah, you can take a lot of nice pictures while you're at this street, and especially the one in the front one I'm going to check. It will be very very busy, selling all those merchandise. Yeah, mostly it's like gift shop. Hopefully the mic is still working right now because I'm trying to see where I'm filming at right now. So there's one gift shop here. There's more here. Oh, mise, the one that is the dessert. You got Bombay, Mexicano, and then alright, more merchandise. Let's see. Got some clothing store around here. A thrift shop, you might call it. And then more gift shop in front. So yeah, there's plenty of people walking around the street. Especially during this time when it's not almost like midnight. Like, look at this, there's so many people dining around here. There's a lot of people taking video as well and picture. Man, it's pretty crowded, you can say, but it's not too overly crowded. Ah, I see. Oh, okay. Maybe I can go through here just to see what they have. So yeah, I'm not with my friend right now. He went with other hostel mate, you can call it. So I'm just alone right now currently. So what do you guys think so far? Look pretty lively. I thought like, how to say this, nightlife in Singapore, it's kind of like maybe, I won't say similar to Brunei, but it's not that lively compared to Vietnam. I mean, which is true. If you've ever been to Vietnam or Thailand, the nightlife is totally different. It's much more wild, you can say. But for here, it was like just okay. So yeah, here is getting a bit crowded, so I'm just going to like go up down here. But yeah, there's quite a lot of thrift store here. I'm trying to navigate and at the same time frame my shot how I want it to see. Basically, you're seeing a POV shot of what I'm seeing right now. So yeah, I'm trying to like doing the tracking shot, whatever you call it. So yeah. And what else can we find? So this is Mid Street. So let's see what they call it. So they call it a lifestyle market. Yeah. Oh, captivating lion dance performance. Nice. So sometimes there will be a performance going on around this street. Yeah. And this is the menu. I think it's the Hao Lai Wu. Oh man, so bad in pronouncing things. So yeah, these are the list of it. Wow, but look at that, the price, man, the price. Even the one that is cheapest one is the golden fries. It costs like 1080. know what's wrong with my tongue right now. Couldn't pronounce properly, but yeah. So anyway, let's see what can we find here. Got more restaurant that sell alcohol drink. There's coffee. Oh, this is like Vietnamese. Okay, let's see. Oh, got one person doing like the Insta 360 view. Yeah, pull it up like that. Man, this is so awesome. Okay. Let's see. What else can we find? Let's check it here. More souvenir gift shop here. Live Singapore. Oh, 2 for 10. Respect. Not bad, yeah. You can buy quite a lot of souvenir here if you're at Chinatown. So but nonetheless, at this part of the alleyway, there isn't much thing apart from more restaurant. Oh, what's this? Authentic Vietnamese cuisine. I think this one's the one in the middle one. When they say, oh yeah, Kong Nu one. Oh, nice. There's a famous nasi lemak here. I mean, there's quite a lot of options you can try. But I don't know. The reasons I don't want to try so much is because I only bring like 100 SGD, and that isn't enough, especially if you stay 1 week. So you can say that this trip is like sponsored in some sense, because it's like I'm just accompanying my friend and he just like treat me, comes to food and stay in places of stay. So yeah, as much as I like to show you guys a lot of different type of food, maybe bars and clubs, unfortunately I can't, because I don't really plan to come to Singapore unless I have a lot of money. But since my friend got personal matter he need to deal with, so just join along for the ride. Yeah, I'm not sure where this lead to. So I'm just like going here in front and see where can I go. I believe this one is MRT. This is the map, locality map. Where were we? I think it's this one, the one with the red dot. Is it? Yeah, maybe Maxwell. And I need to see where I wanted to go. Even though I can't really look at the map and vlog at the same time, but yeah, I can get the sense of like the direction. Let's see, and then we got here is the MRT map. It's a lot of connecting. Oh, it's very complicated, no?
There it is.
Yes, yeah. I don't know how MRT works because I never used one before. So it might seem complicated if you're like just a foreigner. And yeah, like I said, you never used before, you'll be like, oh shit, where does this lead me to, right? And okay, so apparently this side is quite dead. There isn't much people. And a lot of the, we call this hawker stall, not many of them are open. I think this one, yeah, I mean there's some open, but not many people go there to dine in when it comes to nighttime. Mostly it's like during afternoon or morning. Oh, wait, look at that architecture. So amazing. Oh wait, this is called Maxwell Food Center. How long have I been vlogging already? Oh, 15 minutes straight. 15 minutes straight. Let's see what else I want to comment on when it comes to Singapore. Yeah, The cleanliness. I would say it isn't that super clean. In other countries, like my friends say, New Zealand is one of the top 5 cleanliness country. I'm not sure. I never been to New Zealand before, but yeah, if New Zealand's supposed to be like very clean, then Singapore is maybe close to that. But I think let's say if you compare it to Brunei, Singapore is much better when it comes to cleanliness. It's a bit better than Brunei, but it's way better than Malaysia. Oh my gosh, it's so crowded. Bugis Street. So behind me just now I go is the Bugis Junction, and we're heading to Bugis Street. So let's see what do they have.
If you made it this far, I would like to thank you for watching till the end. If you enjoy this type of content, a subscribe to the channel will be appreciated. If you want to support the channel, you can do so with just $1 or any amount via Patreon. There will be exclusive reward for those that support me through there. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next video.